In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import subscribers on Beehiiv. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring an existing email list into your Beehiiv account so you can start sending newsletters right away. First, log into your Beehiiv account and head over to your main dashboard. This is the home screen you see after signing in, where you can view an overview of your publication, recent posts, and performance. Make sure you're in the correct publication if you manage more than one, because subscribers will be imported into the publication that's currently active. From the dashboard, look for the option labeled Audience in the main navigation menu. Go ahead and click on Audience. This section is where everything related to your readers and subscribers lives, so you'll return here often to manage your list. Inside the Audience area, find and click on Subscribers. This will open a detailed view of your current subscriber list, including any people who have already signed up, their status, and other basic information. Even if your list is empty right now, this is still the place where new subscribers will appear once they're imported. Next, look for a button or link that says Import Subscribers. Click on that. This will take you to the Import section, where Beehiiv guides you through bringing in a list from a file. You might see a second button on this page that also says Import Subscribers. If you do, click that as well to start the actual import process. Now you'll see an option to choose a file, or you can drag and drop one from your computer. Your file is usually a CSV exported from another email service provider or spreadsheet tool. Before you upload, it's a good idea to quickly check that each column is labeled clearly, especially the email address column. Click on Choose File, then browse your device and select the file that contains your subscribers. Once you've chosen it, Beehiiv will upload the file and get it ready for import. When the file is uploaded, click on Next. This typically takes you to a confirmation or mapping step, where Beehiiv may match columns like email, first name, and last name. Review what you see on screen to make sure it looks correct. After everything looks good, click on Confirm Subscribers Import. This tells Beehiiv you're happy with the settings and ready to proceed. Finally, click on Import. Beehiiv will start processing your file and add those subscribers to your list. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a little time. Once it's done, you'll see your newly imported subscribers in the subscribers section, ready for your next newsletter.